Good morning. I slept terribly. I went to bed really early. I've been tired all day. And then I didn't fall asleep until past midnight. And then now I'm up 7:30. Let's do Friday. Okay, it is, what time is it? It's 9:13. First thing I will do is have breakfast and watch Bun's latest Vlogmas vlog. Then I'm going to be editing today's vlog, which obviously I filmed yesterday. Then it's going to be packaging stickers for my patrons. Yay! I love our Christmas tree. It's a bit wonky and weird and small, but I love it. I have to get through a little bit more of the day. I'm not feeling great. My nose hurts. I think I've got a cold, but it doesn't feel like a cold yet. It just is making my nose hurt. I'm going to pick up the kids soon, and then after that I am just gonna veg. I'm not actually vegging, I am editing this video because I don't have anything else in me today, I don't think. It's a good thing that it's Friday. Oh yeah, I wanted to say thanks to those of you, especially some of my patrons who recommended pens to me, and specifically people who recommended getting converters for my fountain pen so that I can use waterproof ink in my fountain pen. I did not know of the existence of converters like that. I just thought that putting ink into fountain pens was some kind of mysterious, messy thing that nobody did, but apparently loads of people do it, and there's accessories for it. So I've ordered myself some waterproof ink and some converters, and I am going to try it out. Hopefully they'll get here tomorrow, so that'll be cool, and I'll share that as well. I was watching Tamara from Ruskia Art's vlog, and I saw that she did an advert for me. So it is basically the best thing ever, and you get to all enjoy it now. On that note, I am closing out the vlog. Enjoy this very serious, proper, real advert for my coaching services. Bye.
need to get to the art desk and sit in your feelings. The desk just keeps feeling far away. And then you paint but don't even know what the heck it means. Try Iris Art Coaching. 100% natural. Understanding, comprehension, getting the work done. Iris, recommended by all doctors near you.